I'm so excited. Christmas is in 2 days. We're shopping in downtown Blue Ridge. Final Vlogmas giveaway winner. Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to Vlogmas day 23. It's Christmas Eve and I cannot believe that. Literally Vlogmas is almost over, which is absolutely insane because I've been doing this for 23 days in a row, every single day. And today I am announcing the final giveaway winner for Vlogmas. So this has just been a wild journey, but right now it's 11:45 and I woke up at 10 and then I showered and ate some breakfast and now I'm just watching my show. I don't really know what the deal is though because today is Monday. And even though we're on vacation, my parents still have to work from here, so they're on like phone calls and on their laptops and stuff, but supposedly it's only like a half day, so they should be done around like 2 or 3. Right now I'm just going to keep watching my show because I'm obsessed with it. I'm watching Money Heist if you haven't been keeping up with me, and I'm on season 2 episode 6 and I started it 3 days ago. That's the plan, Stan. I think we're just gonna have another chill day and I hope you guys are enjoying these final last Vlogmas vlogs. So my mom's boss sent her this thing called a Danish Kringle. I just tried it and it's so good. She heated it up, but basically it's just like brown sugar and cinnamon yumminess. It tastes like a cinnamon roll and it's so good. I didn't think I was gonna like it because I'm really picky when it comes to food, but this is so good. When I'm at home in my normal house, I drink so much water, but then when I'm here, I like forget and I get so dehydrated. Look at the Christmas tree. So this is our Christmas tree here. It's like pretty boring and basic because we don't have that many ornaments here, but look at all those presents. Look, it goes full 360. There's like more behind here too. I'm so excited. Christmas is in 2 days. Are you excited, Mello? Fun fact, Cappy's birthday is Christmas. Yeah, you're a Christmas baby. Christmas puppy, Christmas puppy. My makeup is now done. I just did like a natural little thing. Since I'm not really doing anything, I like to like just play around with my makeup and enjoy it, but that just took me literally 10 minutes. Right now we're going to be headed to downtown Blue Ridge and I think we're just gonna shop and eat and walk around. It's 3:40 right now and we've been bored out of our minds. That's the plan. So I just did a little glam and now I'm going to get dressed. We're shopping in downtown Blue Ridge. We're eating at this new restaurant. We never ate here before. What was it called again?
Hansel and Gretel, I think.
Hansel and Gretel in downtown Blue Ridge. I'm gonna be getting a buffalo chicken salad. Hi. That's it. I just realized how bad my hair looks right now. I'm so hungry though. Haven't eaten anything since breakfast this morning at 10:30. So we're gonna grub. This is where we ate. We have like pillows and blankets next to everything and it was really good. I spilled on my shirt. Don't look at it. Thank you. This one. That is what I am getting. Are you doing a renegade? Renegade. Dad, you have to say a hashtag.
Hashtag fudge.
I knew that was coming. Hey yo, ice cream check.
Hashtag ice cream.
Hashtag. Be in my vlog. Be in it. That's a lot. Gabby. Hello. She just went in between my legs. Hi y'all, so my camera died when we were going downtown, so I ended up just recording on my phone, so that's all the footage that you guys saw. But it was only my dad and my brothers and I because my mom had to work, but we walked around, we shopped a little bit, and we ate dinner and ice cream. And now it is time to choose the final Vlogmas giveaway winner. If you guys did not know, I have done 3 Vlogmas giveaways this entire season, and I'm so excited that I got to give back to all of y'all. And today I'll be choosing and picking and contacting the final winner. I have not done it yet, so we're gonna do it right here by ourselves, and don't forget forget, I will be the only one contacting you via Instagram DM. I'm gonna go on the random comment generator thing that I did the last 2 times. When I'm reviewing the comment that randomly gets picked, I have to make sure that they're doing all the rules, including like following me and leaving 1 comment with their Instagram and answering the question. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but I just put right there in the link, and then it's gonna click get YouTube comments, and it will tell me how many there are. Let's see how many people entered. There is 1,780 people that entered, which is the most I've had so far. That's crazy. I think it's because the last one is probably the biggest one. I'm gonna click start right here, and then we're gonna watch as 1 comment shows up. Winner, Julia Kissinger. Oh my goodness! Julia Kissinger. My Instagram is at Julia Kissinger, and I'm giving my best friend a nice blanket and her favorite candy. Let's see if she followed me on Instagram, and then I want to send her a DM if she did. She does follow me. I just DM'd Julia, and we will see if she answers, but congratulations to her for winning, and thank you to everybody who has kept up with my vlogmases this season. It's been such a blessing, and so many of y'all are like diehards and have watched every single one, which I truly appreciate from the bottom of my heart. It means so much that you guys want to keep up with me posting literally every single day. Like, some of you have watched me for 23 days in a row. I don't know why, because I get tired of myself after 23 days in a row. This will definitely not be the end of all the giveaways. There will be some on my main channel and more on my vlog channel coming in the future, and a very, very special announcement coming in January. Well, hopefully January, most likely January. I cannot wait to announce the surprise and tell you guys all about it. But until then, thank you for supporting me and sticking by me. Don't forget, we still have 2 more days of Vlogmas. Tomorrow, Christmas Eve, and then I will be vlogging Christmas as well. And there will be a what I got for Christmas 2019 video going up on my main channel, which I genuinely have no idea anything that I got for Christmas, so I'm extremely excited about it. Also, I just want to throw it out there. A month from today is my 16th birthday. My birthday is January 23rd, and right now it's December 23rd. So a month from today, I'll be 16, which is very, very exciting. So I'm gonna end the vlog now. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you tomorrow for our Christmas Eve vlogmas. Have an amazing day. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace in the Middle East.